Ang ganda! Happy birthday to you!
Good morning, Philippines!
Napagod si Lloydie, guys. Kawawa naman si Lloydie, guys. Wala, ang init ko na. Dapat tanggalin ko na to.
Alin?
Ang init.
Maybe I didn't treat you
Okay.
Pang old man ito eh.
quite as
Kanta.
good.
Gusto rin niya ng asawa mo.
Ano?
Yung mga kanya music.
Alam niyo ba?
Mark,
Hindi, ay basa.
ano kasi siya? Metal kasi kasi basta ba siya dahil
Masarap siya.
Hmm?
Sarap niya. Uy! Magustuhan mo yan. Ano yung na-open ko? Chocolate, di ba?
Laki-laki nito, laki-laki.
Ang talap.
Ah, dalawa.
Ang talap niya. Ang talap. Sarap na napili mo.
Hmm?
Ano to?
Wala ko binibili ko yan.
Palagi mo to?
Onion.
Ay, onion.
Mhm.
Sarap niya. Flavor talaga. Sarap niya, guys. Ang dami pa rin dumadating. Kahit ano. Ganitong oras na. May umaalis, may dumarating.
Last time pumunta kami dito, ano ate ano?
Ha? Ganito din? Ano?
Ganong oras din.
Pero hindi yung ganito nag-change yung ano.
Nandun kami sa kabila.
Hindi nag-change yung
Mas
ano.
marami.
Mas marami? Talaga?
Daming
I mean, dahon ba? Hindi nag-change. Dito guys, dito kami nag-stop guys kasi nandito kami sa highway talaga, look. Hala, ang ganda dito. Grabe. Ang ganda. Hala ka guys. Dito tayo. Dito, oh, walang kahoy dito, Lloyd. Hala, ang ganda. Grabe. Ang ganda. Guys, yung lalaki ba, pumunta talaga dun, oh. Nagpicture talaga dun kasi ang ganda talaga dun. Doon. So guys, dito kami talaga sa highway, guys, look. Tignan mo. Delikado tayo dito. Ha? Ah, oo, yung parang ganun ba? Mga bahay-bahay ba?
Parang sa atin, parang subdivision nata yun eh.
Karaoke muna kami, guys. Kanta lang. Magluluto ako, guys, ng ano, guys. Munggo. And then, join to after this one. Nag-join tayo kay, ano, Lloydie. Madali lang ito. Hala. Yung dalawang aso ba nakatingin kay Lloydie? Sabi pa niya, ang ganda ng boses ni Tita Lloydie. Gisa natin muna siya, gisa. And then ilagay si Munggo. Nagutom na tong bisita ko, guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng ano, luya. Maraming English dyan. Yung iba talagang maraming English. At saka hindi ko talaga alam yung iba. Karamihan talaga dun. Huwag kang iyak! Kaya mo yan. Si Lloydie talaga. Ang cute niya. Naiyak na daw siya. Ang sakit. Nasaktan ka, apektado. Ito yung pork, guys, din. Pork, ano natin yan, parang ilutuin natin yan sa oven niya. Na mapansin mo, sana naman, pagbigyan mo. Galing! Started to grow. Ano ng mga kasta? Sayaw, sayaw. Android guys, kinanta. Pork yan, pork.
Walang pupuntahan ang pagkaka mo dyan sa world. Iso kong siguro ay niya lang alam yung tunay na so hard to give. Honesty is such a lonely world.
Hi guys, nag-stop muna kami karaoke kasi nag-inom kami ng wine. And andito pa siya. Hinihintay lang namin si Taming makarating kasi may plano si Taming bibilin. Birthday kasi niya Thursday. So, may plano si Taming. Bumibili siya ng cake. So, yun sabi niya, wag mo sabihin sa kanya. So, nag-stop siya. Bibili ng cake. Hindi pa kami nag-dinner kasi hinintay namin si Taming. Ano ka? Pakainin ko muna itong mga pusa din. Anyway, nag-inom kami ng wine. Hindi na siya uminom kasi parang ayaw niyang malasing. Ang sarap pala nito guys. Masarap daw ito sa kape. Ang sarap niya. Goya Ladyfinger. Ang sarap pala talaga. Vlog alert! Vlog alert! Vlog alert. Guys, iniinit ko na to sila guys kasi andito na si Mr. Andin gutom na tong bisita ko guys. Nahiya na talaga ako as in. Sobrang hiya. Wala na akong hiya guys. Ang tagal kong pinakain guys. Umalis kami, pinick up ko siya sa bahay nila. Alam nyo ba ang early 11 o'clock. And ngayon hindi pa kami kumakain. Next time, hindi na ito sasama sa akin. Joke lang. Kasi hindi ko pinakain. Pero nasayahan kita doon. Nasayahan ako sa Bear Mountain.
Ang ganda, diba?
Ang ganda doon, grabe. Ito, iniinit ko lang to lahat guys kasi ready na kaming kumain. Dito lang tayo kakain. Ay guys, tapos na kaming kumain. We're done our din. Umiyak na guys, umiyak.
Tapos ang sarap ng adobo mo.
Adobo ba? Hindi man yun adobo
Hindi
ba?
yung parang adobo sa ano yan? Adobong Maynila yung ganun.
Adobo Maynila ba yun?
Oo, kasi...
Parang ano yan, alam mo ano ginawa ko?
Mhm.
Marinate ko ng lime, soy, and nilagyan ko ng garlic.
Mhm.
And then yun lang. And then, inano ko siya. Konti lang talaga. Hindi yung talagang magmarinate ka na naliligo na sila sa ano.
So, lime,
Madagang.
soy.
At madaming pepper.
Mhm.
And also, yung pepper na ikaw na yung nagano, yung ginaganon mo. So, hindi ba mataba-taba siya?
Mhm.
Yung taba niya is yun yung nag-fry. While frying, di ba ang oil lumalabas?
Mhm.
Kinukuha mo lahat. Ang daming oil. O, tingnan mo. Kung kinakain natin tong oil, ang dami. Kung kinakain mo siya na yung talagang hindi mo...
Ay, ang dami.
So, every time na mag-cook ka, kinukuha mo yung oil. And then, ma-fry na din naman siya. Yan. Oil na naman. Kukunin mo. Ang daming
Hindi siya umaano?
Hindi. Kukuha naman siya, pero tinatakpan.
Okay. Ang ini half working. Sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you, Adas!
Oh my God!
Well, I heard his birthday. I apologize.
you.
I apologize. I had the name spelled wrong.
How did you know that's my favorite color?
Oh, there you go. Come on.
Happy birthday, Lloydie! Advance, Lloyd.
You.
Advance. Okay.
The H broke, so it's...
Happy birthday, Lloyd. Hala. Hala, wrong spelling.
I said I apologize. I spelled it wrong.
I'm old, getting old.
Yeah, you told it to the wrong person.
I'm getting old, promise.
How's that coffee? Okay.
I just like the coffee. It's good.
She liked the
I
coffee.
think I did in Starbucks for this. It's good.
Starbucks.
I don't drink Starbucks. I don't like their
Sige
coffee.
na, picturean kita, Bi. Gunitan,
I'm funny
gunitan
that
mo
way.
yan. Oh, hawakan mo,
Thank you.
gunitan.
Thank you.
How old are you? You're 51, Joe.
Yeah, I'm 51.
No, he's 29.
I'm
She's
51. Actually, honestly, I've been like, I feel a bit like sad about like I'm going to celebrate if I'm going to celebrate my birthday or not. So I'm thinking about it because I feel like I'm not so feeling at home.
Yeah,
But
it's,
that helps you feel at home. You be with friends. It's
yeah.
you know, it's not
I'm
the same
so-
friends you would have at home, but at least you're with friends instead of sitting alone or.
Thank you. I'm so touched about this cake. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. All right, you guys want to go out and eat?
Han, she's happy. She said thank you.
Like 12 times.
It's Lloyd's job. What do you
You
say?
didn't even give her a knife. How's she gonna do a job without a knife?
It's gonna be my job now.
Knife. I gave her knife.
You need a real knife. Oh, you gave her a cake knife?
Yeah, and cake knife. And there is a cake, whatever, scooper over there. I don't know how you call it.
So last night I feel like I guess on my birthday I'm going to cry because I don't have my family here. Like
I will cry with you.
Call it. You have international calling?
Yeah, she Han, Facebook is all over the world.
Oh, wow. So well, you got the call here, so you can call. Because she calls the Philippines every day.
Yeah, I have a international call.
Really?
Yeah, call every day, my sister.
But mostly I guess this is the first time that I was not with my parents for not parents actually because I was I didn't live with my parents actually. So with my aunt and
So dito, matulog tayo dito. Sabi ko nga sa iyo.
so we were planning to have like an overnight here, but not
Not,
That's fine with
not
me.
tonight. Not tonight. I'm gonna invite some of our friends too.
Marianne knows that that's fine with me.
Yeah, I know. He's not a problem. I'm the problem. He is very lucky, you know. I told him the other
She
day.
tells me how lucky I am all the time.
He is so lucky because I'm annoying, and you know, I cook him a lot. I yell at him a lot.
really.
Really? She said really.
All the time.
That's why he is so lucky.
But mostly, honestly, I heard a lot of Filipinas. I mean, American. They were married with Filipina. They're very happy. Like I do like Filipina.
Are you happy, Han?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You're happy with your wife.
You have that face. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
And this is yours. Sit down, huh? This is yours. Now you have to bring this cake.
Yeah, you gotta have more of it or you're gonna be carrying more home.
You okay?
Yep.
We didn't put it in the freezer.
I feel so at home.
Yeah.
Thank you, homie.
You're supposed to feel at home. That's the idea.
Yeah. You know, I remember. I told Tommy I remember. That's why I decided to keep, picking you up and bite you. Because I remember when I just got here in the US. I remember being alone. I remember, I don't have a friend. Remember that?
Well, you had friends.
Before when I first got here,
Well, I know you when you first got here.
yeah, but it was really.
I miss some Filipino actually, but they're very busy. They have their own work. So
Working.
mostly it's only on.
Well, that's the problem.
And
I've been working a lot of hours,
Yeah.
mostly in the healthcare industry, and
Yeah.
I work a lot of hours. I keep telling my cousin his wife works crazy hours.
She's Filipino
I said,
too.
you gotta cut her back. That's what I told her. I said, you should pick her up. Remember, because in Florida, when she was alone, if her friends didn't come pick her up, she was stuck there by herself all day long.
Yeah.
You know, it's nice to be alone sometimes,
Yeah.
but not all the time.
Pauwi na guys. Ihatid namin si Lloydie. Tingnan, let me open this freaking garage. Magkita-kit na naman kami where I'm going to see Lloydie again. Wednesday and Sunday. We're just gonna keep roaming around, Han. I hope.
And your birthday is what, Thursday?
It's Thursday.
So it's Halloween. I should have got your Halloween cake.
Halloween.
Halloween cake.
It's
I thought about that. I thought I was gonna get a
Be
Halloween birthday
careful,
cake.
Han. I'm so close to your side.
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's Halloween.
Everybody is busy. Okay, Lloyd.
Hi, thank you so much.
Pleasure
Nice
meeting you.
meeting you.
You too. Hopefully I
And
speak to you again.
hopefully to see you again. Thank you so much.
Oh, no problem.
Thank you.
Ano, ganyan yun siya. Ilagay mo sa cake. Oh, ilagay. Sige. Uy, Wednesday ha? Wednesday.
Thank you.
Uy,
Bye-bye.
ilagay mo sa freezer. Sige, pasok ka na. Pasok ka muna. Tignan muna kita. Bago ako alis.
Kasi hindi gumagana to.
Ah, dito na siya, guys. Uy, ganun. Ikaw talaga.
Thank you.
Sige, see you Wednesday.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oo.
She seemed very pleasant.
My kiddos now, my kiddos. That's dad over there. Dad over there. Si Tammy talaga naghugas ng pinggan. Always naman yan, guys, maghugas ng pinggan yung asawa ko. Habang nag-uusap kami ni Lloydie, siya din naghugas ng pinggan. Okay, anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog because the whole day is like, yep, I've been vlogging the whole day. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, you see Tammy Moy now. He's here.
We can hear.
Hey.
Yeah, I can. Your coat's still on.
Hey.
Hi guys.
He got here and then I don't even vlog him. Han, you put water in there, you know what he's gonna do? He's gonna knock it over. Your son, he is very...
He'll die otherwise, man. You can't enjoy it.
Okay guys, bye! Thank you guys so much for watching, ha? Thank you so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Good night. Masarap ito.
So,